Welcome to AI Topia, where we unravel the secrets of technology. Today, we embark on a fascinating journey to explore how you can learn Python with the help of ChatGPT. No matter your experience level, this AI-powered assistant is ready to guide you through the wonders of Python programming. So let's dive right in and discover the possibilities that await. To embark on this journey, all you have to do is ask ChatGPT a question. For example, you could ask, what is the syntax for creating a Python list? In the world of Python, a list is a fundamental data structure that allows you to store a collection of items. And how do we create a list? Well, it's as simple as using square brackets. And that's right. In Python, the syntax for creating a list involves enclosing the items within square brackets. With this powerful syntax, you can create a list that holds various data types, whether it's a list of numbers, strings, or even a combination of different data types. Python provides the flexibility to store and manipulate data with ease. Now, let's imagine you're creating a list of numbers. You can simply enclose the numbers within the square brackets like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And just like that, you have a list of numbers ready to be utilized in your Python program. But wait, there's more. Python's versatility allows you to create lists of strings as well. You can enclose the strings with the square brackets like this: apple, banana, orange. It's as simple as that. And here's the exciting part. Python also allows you to create lists that combine different data types. So if you want a list that contains both numbers and strings, you can mix and match like this: 1, apple, 3.14, banana. The possibilities are endless. With ChatGPT as your trusted companion, you can dive deeper into the intricacies of Python syntax. So go ahead. Ask ChatGPT your burning questions. As you delve deeper into the intricacies of generating random numbers in Python, you'll discover that the answer lies within the realm of Python's random module. This powerful module is ready to unlock the secrets of randomization and provide you with the tools you need to bring your project to fruition. If ChatGPT is your trusted advisor, you'll learn that the random module in Python offers a range of functions and methods specifically designed for generating random numbers. One such function, known as randint open parenthesis close parenthesis, allows you to generate random integers within a specified range. In the case of generating a random number between 1 and 10, you can utilize the randint function and specify the range as follows: random.randint110. This will give you a randomly generated integer between 1 and 10 every time the program is run. Armed with this knowledge, you can now embark on your coding journey with confidence. ChatGPT will be there to support you, offering further insights and guidance as you navigate the intricacies of your project. Remember, the beauty of programming lies not only in achieving your desired outcome, but also in the process of exploration and learning. Embrace the challenges, seek guidance when needed, and let your creativity flow. If you find this information valuable, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. And of course, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more exciting project guidance and insights into the world of Python programming. Now, let's continue our journey together. As a novice programmer, encountering syntax errors can be exasperating. But fear not, for ChatGPT is here to be your guiding light in conquering those pesky bugs. Picture this scenario. You're diligently working on your Python code, but suddenly a syntax error throws you off course. It can be frustrating and discouraging. But with ChatGPT by your side, you'll regain your confidence and overcome these obstacles. When you stumble upon a syntax error, simply turn to ChatGPT for assistance. Share your code with ChatGPT and watch in amazement as it swiftly analyzes your code, identifying the root of the problem with its AI-powered expertise. Armed with its vast knowledge and understanding of Python, ChatGPT will pinpoint the exact issue causing the syntax error. There may be a missing or misplaced punctuation mark, an incorrect variable name, or even a misuse of Python keywords. With ChatGPT as your trusted ally, you'll receive insightful suggestions and solutions to rectify the error. It will guide you through the process of fixing the issue, ensuring that your code is error-free and ready to run smoothly. Remember, every programming journey is filled with challenges, and encountering syntax errors is a natural part of the learning process. Are you ready to explore the exciting world of decentralized applications? Rest assured, ChatGPT will be your trusted companion in this exhilarating journey. To unlock the mysteries of blockchain app development, simply pose questions to ChatGPT like, how can I create smart contracts on different blockchain platforms? Or what are the best practices for secure development? ChatGPT's vast knowledge and resources will be at your disposal, helping you navigate the intricacies of this exciting domain. With ChatGPT as your trusted guide, you'll receive much more than mere theoretical explanations. It will provide you with practical coding examples, recommended resources and tutorials tailored to your specific needs, and even assist you in troubleshooting any hurdles you may encounter along the way. Whether you're curious about building decentralized applications, also known as DApps, exploring various blockchain platforms, or seeking best practices for secure development, ChatGPT has got you covered. Its expertise spans a wide range of blockchain-related topics, empowering you to dive deep into this cutting-edge technology. Picture this. You have a vision for a web application that will captivate users and provide them with a seamless online experience. How can you bring this vision to life using Python? Fear not, ChatGPT holds the key to unlocking the possibilities. To embark on the journey of creating web applications in Python, all you need to do is ask ChatGPT a simple question like, how can I create a web application in Python? Be prepared to witness a world of opportunities unfold before your eyes. ChatGPT will introduce you to the powerhouses of web development in Python, Django and Flask. These popular web frameworks will become your trusted allies as you navigate the intricacies of building engaging and interactive websites. Through ChatGPT's guidance, you'll learn how to leverage the capabilities of Django and Flask to their fullest extent. From handling user authentication and managing databases to crafting elegant user interfaces, ChatGPT will provide you with the insights and knowledge you need to bring your web application dreams to life. Python's versatility and robust ecosystem make it an ideal choice for web development. With the guidance of ChatGPT, you'll discover how to harness the power of Python to create web applications that are both functional and visually stunning. Imagine being able to create intelligent machines that can learn and make predictions. With Python as your ally, this power is within your grasp. And who better to assist you on this journey than ChatGPT? To start with this adventure, all you need to do is ask ChatGPT a question like, what machine learning packages are available in Python? Prepare to be amazed as a plethora of possibilities unfold before your eyes. ChatGPT will introduce you to renowned machine learning libraries like scikit-learn, which provide a wide range of tools and algorithms to tackle various machine learning tasks. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. As you delve deeper into the world of machine learning, ChatGPT will unveil advanced frameworks like TensorFlow and PyTorch. These powerful tools empower you to build and train complex neural networks, enabling you to tackle more intricate machine learning challenges. Through ChatGPT's guidance, you'll gain insights into the vast arsenal of machine learning packages available in Python. From data processing and feature engineering to model selection and evaluation, ChatGPT will equip you with the knowledge and resources needed to navigate the realm of intelligent machines. Python's versatility and the wealth of machine learning libraries and frameworks make it an ideal choice for both beginners and seasoned practitioners. With ChatGPT as your mentor, you'll unravel the mysteries of machine learning and unlock the potential to create intelligent systems that can revolutionize industries. Our final point takes us into the dynamic realm of databases and networking in Python. Are you ready to connect your applications to data repositories and build robust networked systems? Prepare to embark on an illuminating journey guided by ChatGPT. Imagine seamlessly integrating your Python applications with databases and harnessing the power of network protocols. With ChatGPT as your companion, this becomes a reality. Simply pose questions like, how can I run Python in AWS Lambda? Or how do I write a Python program to back up a PostgreSQL database? And witness a world of possibilities unfold. ChatGPT will introduce you to powerful libraries and frameworks that facilitate seamless integration with databases and networking protocols. It will guide you through the intricate process of running Python in AWS Lambda, allowing you to leverage the scalability and flexibility of the cloud for your applications. Need to back up your valuable data stored in PostgreSQL database? ChatGPT will show you how to write a Python program that automates this task, ensuring the safety and availability of your data. But that's just the beginning. ChatGPT will introduce you to a plethora of libraries and frameworks that enable efficient data management and networking in Python. Whether you're working with SQL databases, NoSQL databases, or exploring distributed systems, ChatGPT will provide you with the knowledge and resources to succeed. From popular libraries like SQL Alchemy and PsychoPG2 for database management, to networking frameworks like Flask and Django, ChatGPT will empower you to build robust and scalable applications that seamlessly interact with data repositories and communicate over networks. By harnessing the power of Python and the guidance of ChatGPT, you'll forge connections, unlock the potential of data, and build network systems that revolutionize the way information is processed and shared. Learning Python may seem daunting at first, but with ChatGPT as your digital mentor, you're equipped to conquer any challenge. Remember, ChatGPT thrives on context, so express your questions clearly and concisely. Let it be your guide, providing insightful answers and code examples that will propel your Python journey forward. Embrace the power of AI and unlock the limitless potential of Python programming. If you're excited to explore the realm of databases and networking in Python, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Please make sure you subscribe and hit the bell button so you don't miss out on our future videos. If you're interested in what has been happening in the world of Google, be sure to check out our next video.